Hello and welcome again to Christine's Creativity Cabinet. Well, back in April, I was in Dollar Tree and I found a lot of really cool kind of patriotic slash Americana kinds of things there, and it really kind of sparked my creativity for doing some DIYs with that. So I got a bunch of them, but then I didn't do anything because April is just way too early to do that. But now I just realized that it's already after Memorial Day, and so it's time now to get those things out and do some Americana stuff so I can have this video done by the 4th of July. So these are just going to be 3 kind of simple, easy DIYs with Dollar Tree materials that'll make you some cool Americana themed objects. So let's get to making.
I have a plan. I know what I'm doing. Let's get into it. Taking my time a little bit more with that one. Which is a thing. Seem kind of random, but actually it is quite a little bit random.
Okay.
I guess I'll keep it. And I did this to it.
Do you like it?
What else can I do to this? Hey, I kind of feel like artisty. Okay, hang on, don't panic. Things did not go according to plan. The problem is, what was the problem? Oh! No, I think we're okay. Okay, problem. Figure it out. Fine. I go, figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Is that gonna look weird? Solutions to problems. Yay! What do you think?
Do you like this?
Oh, you better. You can't say no. You have to like it. Yes.